Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And check out their other goodies they have to offer. Let's see what's inside. Oh boy. Here we go. Aha. Very nice. This is coming from OCOOKO. Salt shaker, salt and pepper meal set. So definitely check these guys out. Since a lot of us are eating at home, might as well make their kitchen all fancy dancy with a set of these. Definitely needed new ones. So this would be a nice housewarming gift, Christmas gift. Ooh, nice packaging. Look at that. Nice wood grain. Got the toppers right there. Dang. At the bottom. Should be easy to take apart. There we go. That's where you fill it. And it shoots out here. And one sec. Alright guys, we are in the kitchen. Got it filled to the top with the pepper and a little bit of the salt. Had a little difficulty trying to find some more salt, but I think I'm going to have to go to the store tomorrow, grab some salt. But easy to put together. Once you take it apart, we'll do the pepper, and then I'll get a put that down to show you guys how easy it is. Put that top right there. There we go. Then put that top right through, like so. And twist. Twist. Make sure it's good, tight. Voila. And look at that. Bam. Got the action going. And then same thing for the salt or whatever spices you're going to use it for. So it's up to you, but for me, salt and pepper. And put the lid back on. Over here, slide it through. Put it in the hole. Boom. Lock it in. Simple. Easy peasy. Got the dishwasher going. Sorry about the noise in the background. There we go. And you guys see that? Bam. Got it in one shot. So check them out, guys. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.